All right, so tell me about what you got going on with this particular property here. Just a quick overview. You're a long-term investor, you flip, you buy and hold, you got a different type of product in terms of a cash flow generating product that we'll get to at a later date, but not necessarily today. So tell me about this particular project right here you got working on.
Well, this particular project I bought with intentions on renovating, renting, and doing some other things with it.
Okay.
But in the process of doing the demo, I realized it was going to be a little bit more costly than I initially figured it would be. So I changed gears. So instead of renovating and renting, I'm renovating to sell. So even though I was initially going to spend more money, now I'm going in a little deeper because I want to go in with a totally different mindset than renting.
You're selling. So basically what you're saying is that on one hand, on the rental side, you got a different type of product to kind of roll out a renovation that you do on that. And on the flip side, it's something totally different because you're trying to get a higher premium in terms of the outcome on the sales price.
Correct.
Okay. And what made you change lanes?
Well, once I bust all the walls down and realized that I had to do a lot more wood repair, which of course we know wood nowadays is astronomical.
Yeah, that's true.
So once I went in and realized I had to do a lot more wood repair, I changed all the joists out, bust walls down, raised ceilings. I just figured it'd just be a better off a selling product than a renting product.
Yeah, in terms of a quick return. Okay, cool. So on that note, in terms of unexpected stuff that you get into when you're doing the renovations, let's speak more about that. So how does that typically happen in terms of your history of renovation? Do you typically run into some unforeseen stuff? Of course, once you get behind the wall, you don't know what's back there until you get back there.
I say maybe 1 out of 5 houses I buy. I typically don't buy siding house. I typically try to go more to a brick house because, like I said, it's easier to protect the house a little bit more. Yeah. But so I say 1 out of 5 houses I might have to do a more extensive renovation because of the wood aspect to it. But it mostly be just rotten wood on the outside more so than on the inside.
Correct, and that makes sense too. So in terms of your strategy, overall strategy of the, it's typically a brick purchase home ideally, but you will accept some siding depending on the scope of the deal.
Well, it's according to the numbers.
Yeah.
If the numbers make sense and it's a deal that I can't walk away from, of course I'd take a siding house.
So now we upstairs. So tell me about what's your vision in terms of your renovation on this particular project?
It's really hard to put my vision into words because I'm one of those type of persons that I do it as I see it.
Correct.
But
just an overview.
But like I said, the house is 111 years old, so I want to keep it with some character from back then.
Correct.
But at the same time modernize it just slightly a little bit. You know what I'm saying? So it's a 3-story house, 5 bedrooms, 2 full and 2 half baths. I'm a finished attic. I plan on putting it together, man, making it look like super duper nice without giving it away too much. Like I said, I redid, as you can see, I redid all of the rotten wood. I think the house had caught a fire at one point, so we replaced all the burnt wood. The next step is to replace the stairs. Just because I wanted to look immaculate when you walk through that door. Stairs, chandelier, immaculate. Kitchen's gonna be super duper nice. All the bedrooms up here are nice size. We even have a balcony out for one of the bedrooms upstairs that has an amazing view. So I'm just going back pretty much with the same setup that it once was, but I'm putting a 2022 spin to it.
Yeah.
So it's gonna be a 1900 whatever house.
Yeah.
But it's gonna have
years ago. Oh.
I think it was built in like 1910.
Yeah.
So we're gonna have the same bones as 1910, but I plan on just super duper going all out with the look without going all out with the cost. So it's gonna be a very nice house.
Yeah. Well, we look forward to coming back, taking a look at the final project. I like stepping in, getting with investors, particularly my clients, of course, and friends to kind of see exactly what they have going on, and also to be able to give a realistic expectations and an on-the-ground look at how this thing's supposed to go, as opposed to a lot of other stuff that you kind of see out there. Yeah. The breeze do feel good. Yeah. So that'll be it on this one. Okay. Thank you, my guy. I look forward to the next one.